Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're about to reverse image search on iPhone. First, make sure your photo is accessible in Photos and Safari is updated. Open Safari and go to Google.com, then switch to Images. This gives you the desktop-style tools. Once done, tap the share icon on the photo you want or long press an image in Safari. Make sure you can access share sheet options. If the image is in Photos, use the Share menu to copy or share to Safari so you can start the image search quickly. Now that Images is ready, request Desktop Site from Safari's options to reveal the camera icon. This unlocks Upload. Tap the camera icon and choose Upload an image or paste image URL. If uploading, pick Photo Library or Take Photo to capture a new picture. Once you select the file, Safari uploads it and Google processes visual matches. This can take a few seconds. Make sure you allow file access and that the image is clear. Blurry shots reduce match accuracy, so retake if needed. Google returns visually similar images, possible source pages, and sizes. Start by scanning top matches and then open source pages to verify context and date. Once done, try filters like image size or exact match to refine results. Make sure to tap image thumbnails to view full resolution sources. If you don't get useful results, retry with a clearer or larger photo, crop out irrelevant borders, or use a different angle. These steps fix most failures and improve the chance of finding the original or related info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.